Ready to take control of your XRP security? Let's move your XRP from Coinbase to your Ledger Nano X in a few easy steps. First, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and you have the XRP app installed. Open Ledger Live on your computer and navigate to the manager. Search for XRP and install the application on your Ledger device. This might take a moment. Once installed, open the XRP app on your Ledger Nano X using the device buttons. It will display XRP is ready. Now, in the XRP app on your Ledger device, navigate to receive. Your Ledger will display your XRP address. This is your destination address. Carefully verify this address on your Ledger screen. Then, in Ledger Live, confirm the address. This is a vital step to prevent sending your XRP to the wrong place. Now, go to your Coinbase account, navigate to your XRP wallet and click Send. Paste the XRP address you copied from your Ledger into the recipient address field in Coinbase. Double-check the first few and last few characters to make sure they match what is displayed on your Ledger device. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Be aware of any transaction fees displayed. These are Coinbase fees, not Ledger fees. Confirm the transaction on Coinbase. Depending on your security settings, you may need to enter a two-factor authentication code. And that's it. The transfer is now initiated. It may take a few minutes for the transaction to be confirmed on the XRP network. Once confirmed, your XRP is safely stored offline on your Ledger Nano X, protected from online threats. Remember to keep your Ledger device and recovery phrase safe. Stay secure.